Hi, I'm Deb from Skein Sisters. Today is all about continental knitting because we've had a couple of people cancel for a class that we've got tomorrow. That's right, isn't it, Linda?
Yes, tomorrow.
Linda will be taking our class tomorrow morning, so Thursday at 10:30, I think it is.
I think so.
Oh, we better check. Anyway, it's all on our website. So, look, here's continental knitting. I'm holding the yarn in my left hand. I'm going really fast, sort of fast. Anyway, that's what you would learn, how to do the knit stitch and the purl stitch. But Linda, why should you continental knit?
There are so many reasons why I love continental knitting. Speed is one, but it shouldn't be the primary reason.
No, but it's a good one. You get lots more projects done. That was my main reason.
I think that it's really great for brioche if you do that because, it cuts out a whole step.
Yeah, it makes brioche easy.
Colour work. And even if you don't do continental full time, you can use continental just so you can do colour work.
Absolutely.
So you can hold a hand, 2 strands, one in each hand. Or when I do colour work, I do 2 in one, in both of my left.
I'm still struggling to do that.
I love that. What else? Oh, if you get sore hands when you knit, sometimes it's good to change it up. Have 2 different ways of knitting so that you can.
So I'll just change. I'm going to do some purling. But if you watch, I don't really move anything other than my hands and my forearms a little bit. So if you get sore shoulders or sore elbows, then that takes all of those movements away if you're doing English knitting. Because if I do English knitting, it's rubbish. See, I'm moving my whole arm. I know lots of you don't knit like that, but that's the only way I know how to do it.
Yeah, so you can see the strain that's happening here in the wrist as well. Yeah,
that's it.
Yeah.
So continental just has far fewer movements, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Lace is super easy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. You can yarn overs. Yarn overs are amazing.
Yeah.
And usually by the end of the class, everyone has learned how to knit comfortably, just beginning to purl.
Yeah.
But I get a chance to show people how to do yarn over, knit 2 togethers.
All of those.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So if you can make it tomorrow, we'd love to see you.